Namaste friends. Today I'm getting to you an exotic fusion recipe which is sticky rice with mango. This is a very famous Thailand cuisine recipe and I have taken Thai sticky rice here 1 cup which I have soaked for at least 6 to 8 hours. So can you make this recipe with any sort of rice? Definitely. You can make either using basmati rice or even jeera rice, or you can also use jasmine rice for this recipe. However, the taste will be quite different depending on the rice you're using. So I have taken here sticky rice where I have taken a steamer and I have lined it with turmeric leaf and have lightly greased it. So if you don't have turmeric leaf, you can either use plantain leaf, or without any leaf you can just grease the steamer plate and place the rice and just make a little bit of gap in the center so that it evenly cooks. So and then steam it for 30 minutes. So steaming will ensure that the rice kernels will not be it will not be overcooked. It will be perfectly balanced for this recipe. So now that rice is done, I'm taking a pan here and I'm taking around 1 cup of coconut milk. So this is a fresh coconut milk. You can use canned coconut milk also depending on your availability, or you can even use coconut milk powder. That will also taste quite good. So I'm adding here half cup of jaggery or coconut sugar here. So half cup of jaggery and coconut seems less here, but then again we are going to top it up with date syrup. So definitely I think it will be perfect. And we are also adding mango, and mango has little bit sweetness in it. So we'll ensure that this jaggery or coconut sugar is well combined with the coconut milk. Let's stir, and here's the secret: half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Well, this is not in the original recipe, but this is something which I have created. You might ask why. Well, coconut milk is high in calcium and other essential minerals. Jaggery is very good in calcium and another essential minerals, whatever you need for your body. And adding turmeric will make sure that all of these minerals are better absorbed in your body. So anyone who has any kind of joint pains or joint stiffness, or if you're someone after working out in a gym or doing yoga you have a lot of pain in your joints, then this recipe is a elixir for your bones. Now that the sauce is well combined, I'm adding my rice and let's stir it up. So we just want to make sure that the rice soaks up all the goodness of the sauce. Let's give it a mix. So all this recipe we are making, it's in medium flame. So ensure that you're not using high flame here. Well, it's been around 5 minutes and you can see that the rice is looking pretty stiff. So this is where we stop. So this is what we want, because we want to mold the sticky rice as per the shape what we want. And I'm just going to rest it for 5 minutes covered, and there you go. So sticky rice, I've just made a little bit of shape on it because that's how they usually make in Thailand. So I had this recipe in a Thai restaurant and I fell in love with it, and I'm just going to recreate how they had arranged it. So I'm just adding some coconut milk on the top for garnishing. Well, you can't go wrong with coconut milk, can you? So it's perfect. And on top of it, I'm adding some date syrup. Talk about tasty and healthy. The whole thing tastes so good that you will feel like you're in a tropical paradise. I'm topping up with chopped mangoes and some more mangoes. There you go. I hope you enjoy this exotic recipe, which is not only very tasty but it's beneficial for your body. I would say elixir to your bones. So we'll meet next time. Until then, bye.